How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be talking about Tesla stock. As we see, Tesla is going down and down to new 52-week lows. So we're going to be going over that and whether or not Tesla could in fact rebound sooner rather than later, or we're going to keep seeing Tesla dropping more and more than it already has. So let's get right into it. So as you see here, Tesla right now is at $205.49, down about 2.7% for today. And it actually hit down about $187.20, which is down 6.55% at its close of today. And the reason for why Tesla stock is down today, another 6%, continuing down from what we've seen, probably one of the worst weeks Tesla's had in a while, is because Tesla stock did in fact have a downgrade from an analyst. Let's actually go onto an article and see the reasoning behind that. As you see here, Wedbush lowers Tesla price target and shares fall below $200. And Tesla stock hasn't hit under $200 since 2016. So it's been about 2 to 3 years since we've seen Tesla stock drop this low. And one of the analysts says right here, as you see, that things will likely get worse before they get better. Tesla was lowered to the price target from $275 to $230, so that's about a $45 drop. I've said Tesla and CEO Elon Musk have an uphill climb over the next several quarters, given pressures for Tesla to cut costs and major concerns over Tesla's near-term demand and guidance. And I found something interesting right here. I've said Musk is taking the wrong approach by expanding into other projects like insurance, robotaxis, and other moonshot technologies when Tesla should instead be laser focused on trimming costs and shoring up Model 3 demand. I actually do agree with this statement right here. I believe that Elon Musk and all his executive team should focus more on Model 3, as that's been the main cause of Tesla dropping off. They should be focused on production and all that a lot more than all these other things that could potentially drive Tesla stock up even more. But they should probably focus on the problem at hand right now. So that was one of the reasons why Tesla stock dropped today. But as we see, Tesla in the past 3 months, it is down 31.79%. And another reason why Tesla stock is dropping quite a bit is because, as you see here, Elon Musk basically sent an email to all his employees calling for a hardcore control for expenses. And as we read here, Elon Musk told employees in a company-wide email Thursday that $2 billion in new fundraisers this month were only enough to get through 10 months if Tesla keeps spending as it did in the first quarter of 2019. It is important to bear in mind that we lost $700 million in the first quarter of this year, which is over $200 million per month. So Tesla is spending quite a bit right there. And Elon Musk proposes that they do hardcore measures on their pullback in spending. So what they are trying to do is that he would personally review and sign every 10th page of outgoing payments. So that's actually kind of scary if you own Tesla, that they only have about $2 billion in funds, which means that they have about 10 months if they keep spending the way they've done. And some more bad news is that there was a deadly crash in which the Autopilot was in fact engaged before the impact. And that also raises questions to whether or not their Autopilot is as safe as they say it is. And they're probably going to be testing out some more things with that. But I do believe that they will find the problem and they will fix it as soon as they can. So as you see, Tesla is in fact just getting hammered. It seems that everything is just getting ran over. All the bad news, everyone's just going at Tesla right now just because they're not hitting their numbers, and they just keep seeing mistake after mistake and accident after accident. And that caused the stock to go down around 31% in the past 3 months. And the thing about Tesla is Tesla does have a lot of potential. There is tons of things that they've said that they're going to be doing, and if they get over this little hump, I believe that they will be able to easily double, triple, quadruple their value, and they're easily light years ahead of everyone else in autonomous driving. And just with that, they'll be able to compete with Uber and Lyft. And even Elon Musk himself, he basically said that autonomous vehicle tech should easily grow the company into a $500 billion market cap business, which as you see right now, the market cap is at 36.65 billion. So we'll need to be like 13, 14 times more to get to that number, if it ever does. But once Tesla can get their production numbers up steadily and get to that profitability, then they should easily be able to bounce back to new all-time highs. And right now, Tesla stock is basically in a league of its own when it comes to EV, electric vehicles. And as time goes on, Tesla will continue to improve, as it's basically the only one really in the market right now for EVs. And we're seeing prices that we haven't seen since 2016, which gets me kind of excited. But it is kind of bad to see that the stock keeps dropping down more and more and more, but you just have to, if you believe in the stock, then you'll ride it out. And if you believe in Elon Musk and Tesla, then you'll be able to ride it out. And I personally believe in Elon Musk, as he's been able to prove many people wrong when it comes to even SpaceX and all the other companies that he's been able to bring up. So let me know down in the comments if you own Tesla stock. Let me know if you guys are buying more or you're just holding off. Also, let me know down in the comments if you believe Tesla stock will continue to drop and if you're buying puts to hedge down on your positions. But other than that, I'll see you guys in the next one.